All right. Cone marks. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we'll give it a shot. The rear rivals. A little bit of shoulder wear here, but these parts are still down to well above the wear bars. These are the Flow 1 wheels from Tire Rack, 18 front, 18 rear. Car's dirty, but you can look down here and see no dings or anything. Just one little chip right there. Around the front, both those lights work. The front of these things tends to scrape on, well, everything. That plastic's made to. It's made to be a fuse. So that's the Vet Specialties cup holder. Best $50 you ever spend on this thing. There's another little imperfection there. I don't know how well that's showing up. Driver's side. It's looking a little dark out here, so apologies in advance. There's the sunscreen speaker grill. This gets sunscreen from your leg. Apparently you can just pull this off and clean it out, hose it out, whatever. I'm certainly not going to do that with it on the car. Pop the trunk. Trunks on these things are giant, believe it or not. You can fit stuff all the way under there for autocross. Helmet fits really good in there, and water bottle. Side pins over on each side. You can see it's all fiberglass, which is kind of neat. Heads-up display bezel is not cracked, which is good. Stock LS6. So there's the stock intake. I've got the BBK one, I guess that's the brand name of it. Optima red top battery. These things tend to pick up a lot of dirt and stuff off the roads. So what they do is they sell a piece that goes up here. It's like a foam insert that keeps dirt from getting in underneath the hood. I haven't done it because I didn't know how legal it was, and you know, I'm mostly an autocrosser, so. This is the giant wheel. It's got an aftermarket shift knob on it, but I also have the stock one as well. try to do. I usually like to let it warm up a little more than this before I go driving, but I'm not going to beat on it or nothing, so it should be okay. It scrapes that front plastic coming out of my driveway. Heads-up display does work. I just keep it turned off for autocrossing because it's distracting. I don't know how that shows up. Works. So the tires on it make a little bit of noise, which is nice. Kicking up rocks and stuff because they're sticky. And because it's old school GM, it's got pop-up headlights. That's about it for the driving piece. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see. Thanks.